Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making the text bold on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the App menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and tap Display and Brightness. Tap the toggle to the right of bold text to turn the setting on or off. When the toggle is green, bold text is enabled, and when grey, the setting is turned off. When bold text is turned on, the writing on the screen will be a bit easier to read. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.